Morning everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you're all well. Right, today I've got a nice simple video. I've been after these for years and years, but every time I've gone to buy them, they've always been sold out. So come on over and have a look what it is. Right, they are draft strips. I managed to find these in Bodycare the other day, and they were £2.99. Right, this is the one that we made last year. We just got some old jogging bottoms and shoved a bit of material in there, and we put it up the back door. But these are the ones that I've just showed you in the kitchen. This is one that's already been installed on the lounge door, and I've noticed a difference straight away. They are really good. And like I said, I picked them up from Bodycare and they were £2.99. We brought 4. I put one on in the downstairs bathroom toilet, and I've noticed the draft has stopped immediately from the toilet. So that's another, they are really good. For £3, you can't moan. So I'm going to go and get Keith and I'm going to show you how to install one. They are on Amazon, but the prices range and the material ranges. So I've seen them for £5 up to £15. Some have got suede on and all that sort of different material. So on Amazon you're paying for the material and stuff. I'm not sure if they'd work if you've got really thick carpet. I'm not sure about that. All our downstairs is tiled and wooden floor. It's only upstairs that has got carpet. So, and upstairs is really nice and warm. I'm just going to show you the one by the bathroom toilet that's been installed as well. Here it is. And you get that both sides, and it's got a material strip that slips underneath the door. But I'll show you all that in a minute when I open them up. Right, I'm going to call Keith. I have called Keith in. I mean, you could probably fit them yourself, but I'm hopeless with a pair of scissors. I broke them the other day as well. So Keith's going to fit it for me, and I'm going to record him doing it so you can see how simple they are. But we're going to open this one up and we're going to have a look now. But like I said, on Amazon they range all different prices because of the material. Some are suede, some are like this as well. So we're going to get it open and just have a look. This does come in 93 centimetres, so I don't think you
well big enough for your door.
Yeah, and it's foam, it's easy to adjust, and that says 3 centimetres max.
That's your gap.
Oh, is that your gap?
That's
I
it.
don't know all that sort
That's
of
the
stuff.
maximum.
You see.
So if you've got carpets that are bigger than your door, obviously it wouldn't work.
I've tried to say that, but you just said
I mean?
it better than me. So, right, let's get it open. We're just going to open it.
But if you've got wooden floor or tile floor downstairs like us,
they're amazing.
they're really good at it.
They are amazing.
For what they are. For the price.
Right. Oh, sorry.
Good.
Those are your little instructions.
Measure your door. Don't measure your door like that. I'll show you how to do it.
You can cut it with a knife or a pair of scissors, and it just slides in. So this is the bit that I was trying to explain to you. This is the bit that goes underneath your door.
Your door just slides in there like that.
And I'll show you the back of it. I'm definitely going to go to the shop, to Bodycare, and get some more of these and put them away for next year.
I'm going to get another 4 while I've got them in.
They are brilliant. I noticed the difference the same night we did it. I've just noticed the difference completely. We've all got little holes and gaps around our doors, haven't we? So, but anyway, we're going to get to the fitting now. Right, before we start, I'll just show you what we had for a couple of years on the kitchen door. We had one of these with the brushes on the bottom. The only trouble with these, you have to get them precise, don't you, to stop the drafts coming in. So Keith's going to take that off, and I'm going to show you how to install this one. Might have to give the door a bit of a lick of paint, but you never know, it might cover it up just for now.
Yeah, we're not going to do that now.
No, but it might just cover it up for now. So we've took that old one off, but we have had that old one on for years, haven't we?
It's been on about 4 or 5 years.
Yeah, so it's done its job. So we're going to install this one now.
All you do, slide it under your door, nice and simple, all the way to the end of the door. Then we'll use a tape measure. Just get the end, give a mark. Nice and simple. Then the other side.
Oh.
Yeah, you'll probably get in the way.
Yeah, just, you know, you've seen what to do with the thing. So you've slit both sides.
Flip both sides. Get it out. Get a cut with a pair of scissors or a Stanley blade. And then your cut end goes at the back of the door. Then you've got a nice flush end at the front. Don't worry with measuring tapes, you don't need to, at least you'll get it flush then. Nice and simple. And you only got to do one more little thing then. Is when you close your door, just, I know probably a lot of you know anyway. Come this side back so we can show them.
Oh, excuse me a minute.
When you close your door, just point it down there.
Yeah.
You get your threshold, you see, right?
Oh, yeah.
So you just chop off this little bit here for your threshold.
Right.
You get me?
There you get a nice flush.
And then you get a nice flush. Nice and simple. So you just close it like that. You can even put it like that and it'll squash. You got your mark. Nice and simple. Take it back off. Bit of DIY, Bab.
I know, yeah.
DIY in the house.
Oh, they're so worth it though.
They're worth it. They're really
They're
worth it.
really, really good.
And just
really
trim
good.
this little bit off. Stanley knife or scissors.
I think it's one of the best things we've ever brought for the door, for the drafts.
For the price.
For the price as well.
Dying to get some for a few years.
Yeah.
And they've all been sold out.
Yeah. And we seen them
I've seen
the other
them early
day.
today
Yeah.
this time, so I thought,
We'll grab
I'll
some.
get some of them.
And I've noticed the difference straight away. We brought 4, which come to like 12 quid, so that's not bad.
Yeah.
You slide it back on.
Slide it back on. Cut end at the back, obviously.
Yeah. We'll shut it from this side so you can see first.
Boom.
Ah, brilliant.
Perfect.
Look at that.
Nice and simple. You don't need a tape measure.
Right, let's go the other side and have a look now. So we'll come the other side. I'll show you. Let me shut the door. There we go. It's covered that gap up. Thank you for that. Right, I'm going to give you my end review now. I know I've had some on the doors for a couple of days, but I have completely noticed the difference. I think they're really worth their money, and they're called draft strips. I got these from Bodycare for £2.99, like I said. You can get them off at Amazon, ranging from £5 upwards. They've got all different sorts of coloured materials, all like suede and stuff, but they're just foam and material. I know they will end up ripping.
That's why I'll get some more for next year.
But I'm definitely gonna get some more for next year because they are brilliant. And I'm gonna give draft strips a 5. 5 out of 5. They're amazing.
100%.
They've stopped the drafts so much. I mean, we all got little drafts around our doors and stuff, but I have noticed the difference completely. I feel the cold really bad, but even you've noticed, haven't you?
Yeah, I noticed straight away.
Even you noticed straight away, instantly, as soon as we put them on. That's why I wanted to review them for a couple of days so I could come back to you and say, are they worth getting or they're not? They're definitely worth getting.
And for the price.
And for the price.
If you've only got one door, it's going to cost you £3, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, amazing. I'm going to definitely go and get some more if I can. So, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye. Thank you, handyman.
Thank you, handyman.
Bye.